Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by identifying the problem using a stereo test track. Put both AirPods in your ears and play a left-right audio test. Note which side is silent and which side plays. Open Bluetooth settings on your device and confirm both AirPods appear connected. If only one shows, keep the silent AirPod in the case. Observe the case status light for amber or white indications. This basic diagnosis tells you whether the issue is connection or hardware-related. Remove debris from the silent AirPod using a dry, soft brush for 30 seconds. Avoid liquids and sharp tools that could damage meshes or sensors. Place both AirPods in the case and charge the case and pods for 15 minutes. Make sure the case has at least one green or amber light visible. Keep the case within 3 feet of your device while charging and pairing to ensure stable Bluetooth signal. After charging, retest the stereo track to see if sound returns. If cleaning and charging fail, reset your AirPods to restore default settings. Forget the AirPods in Bluetooth settings first, then open the case lid. Press and hold the setup button on the back for 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber then white. Release the button and repair the AirPods to your device. Test the silent AirPod on a different phone or tablet to determine if the issue follows the earbud. Seek professional service if the problem continues after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.